Say hey, Philip.
Hi.
They just got back from Sam's, or we just got back from Sam's, I should say. I'm going to show you guys what we got. We did not get, well, we did get some sandwich meat from Sam's, so y'all just bear with me. I'm moving slow, so y'all know if y'all watching for the first time. My name is Alisha. How many bottles of water we got, Philip? 5?
We got 5 bottles of water, 3 bottles of sparkling water, 3 of the lemonade twist, and 3 of the strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, y'all got a lot of stuff to be grocery shopping.
He done said that real fast. Okay, I got 5 bottles of water, these 4 here, and this one. When they go tomorrow to Walmart, I'm going to let them get 2 more from Walmart because we cook with it, drink it, all of that. All right, y'all don't see a whole lot of snacks here because I was not getting any this month from Sam's. They can get some tomorrow when they go to Walmart. Just a few things they're going to eat because they still got stuff from last month. How many of these? He said we got 3. These are the Members Mark Sparkling Waters. And one over here. And then the 50 plastic bags of chips. It was $18. I did do a walkthrough, so if y'all interested in seeing the walkthrough, please go check that out for prices. If y'all watch me for a while, y'all know I love the banana nut and the chocolate. I'm not a big fan of the blueberry, but I do eat them. But I know my mother-in-law, my mama, do you eat blueberries? And I think Riri, but I'll eat these. So it's a 9-pack. I showed y'all that. I did have to get us some flushable wipes for the house. Then we're going to move over here. I have to finish my grocery list for today. Well, first, before I show y'all that, let me show y'all what we had left from last month. Philip got 2 full things of
3.
That's 2. I gave Alisha 1. That's half of, well, that's less than half. He had 3. I gave Alisha 1 yesterday. Y'all don't know who Alisha is. That's my youngest daughter. She's in her own home. And then he has those left. So put that pack on top of that, please. I usually keep him stocked with a whole lot, but since they're not in school right now, he don't have any to bring the work to school. We have that pack that they just opened, so this will go on top. Move that pack right there, please. Just lift it up. They have some still in there. They have a whole pack left here, so that'll give them to 4 of these sparkling waters. And then they just opened that pack up, so that one will go on top. So lift that up for me, please. So that'll give them, let me see how many of these. We got 3 strawberry lemonades, so that'll give them 4 strawberry lemonades and 3 of the regular lemonade.
This will last us a whole nother year.
Jeez, I hope so. And I think they're like $8.48. But like I said, I did a walkthrough and I showed the prices. Now, like I said, they went up on those splash waters. They used to be $4 and some change. They done went up to $8 and some change. But I knew that was going to happen because during the summertime, they always go up on their price. I picked up 3 of the Bertolli, the 3-pack of Alfredo. So and I think I have 1 in the cabinet. So when I do get ready to make some Alfredo, whether chicken, shrimp, whatever, I'll have some. I got the 3-pack of the ragu, and I want to say these was like around $6-7, so that wasn't bad. I would have paid more getting them from Walmart or whichever store. We got the pantry pack of the spaghetti. I was going to get the Barilla with the different types of pasta, but I still have pastas in the cabinet. And we just got the latest date, which was January 25. And this gives you 6 packs, so this will last. The 12-pack of the Star Kiss tuna. This is something that we always get because we do eat a lot of tuna. I should have got 2, but I'll let them get, I think it's a 6-pack from out of Walmart, just so we'll have enough. We always get the Sara Lee Classic, and then we did the Nature Zone. I like the, what's the other Sara Lee? Butter bread. And we go through a lot of bread, so I'll probably let them get 1 pack of butter bread to go with this, so they'll have enough. Jordan picked up another pack of ribs. These will be for the 4th. And I think he got, 3 more already in there, and he's getting other meats and stuff. So now we're going to come around this way. I got 1 gallon of milk because, like I said, tomorrow they're going to Walmart and do grocery shopping, but I just needed milk today for my cereal. The Candy Snap seedless grapes. Me and my little one eat those. Jordan went in Walmart to pick up me and my son's medicine, and he just picked up 1 pack of these until tomorrow. Pack of strawberries. This came from Sam's, of course. The Barks root beer, I asked him for 2. Or I should have. I thought I asked you for 2 in a text. Oh, well, my intentions was to ask him for 2, but this will work. Then I asked him for 1 thing of chocolate milk because I'm going to have my banana nut muffin with my chocolate milk. I showed y'all the strawberries. And I only got 1 pack of strawberries this month instead of getting 2, because when they run out, because I found that if I get 2, they start to go bad quicker. They'll probably eat these up within 2-3 days. And I gotta remind me to put the sweet potatoes on my list. And then Jordan got this watermelon. He liked the seeded. I eat both, the seedless and I know. Would you like to continue this haul, sir? As I said, Jordan liked the seeded, but they did not have seeded. I eat both seedless and seeded watermelon. So I'm going to cut that up because I want me some watermelon. And then I'm going to finish up with Sam's. The 16 cup variety. Riante loved these mandarin oranges. I'm not a huge fan of them, but she can take them to work. And she works at a daycare. So she gets a long lunch break, her snacks in between. And she don't like to really eat the food there. I don't know why. I would take advantage because it's free. And then the diced peaches is the one that I like, and the strawberry gel. So, and I don't know who else going to eat them. I don't know, but I will. I'll eat these. She can have those. And since it's summertime, I don't know about y'all, but here in Mississippi, it stays hot. The humidity be having feeling like it's 110, 12 sometimes. So we're going to try to have our oven off as much as possible. So we get a lot of sandwich meats and stuff. I want him to get a thing of turkey because this is the uncured ham, the rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. And if they just get a pack of turkey from Walmart, that'll be fine. They can make sandwiches if they want to grill them. We got a Volante grill. They got that little griller. And I even have a sandwich maker, or they can use the waffle maker because it'll work as a grill. And they can make them some grilled cheese. And then we got an air fryer over there because this oven here won't be turned on that often. They got he picked up some tomatoes and lettuce because he's going to do a sandwich. And I got my little one his apples. And these here, they'll drink. You getting 24 for $8. This is going to last us for a while. They'll put in the refrigerator. Plus last month, y'all remember, I had bought this Country Time. I got the lemonade and the pink lemonade. They didn't even open this one. They did open this, but it's to like right here. So we still have a lot left. So when I tell y'all, when we buy stuff, they don't just drink or eat it up. We still have a lot left. So stuff does last us for a while. But I'm about to get them to put all of this stuff up so I can go take my medicine, and I need to start on my grocery list. I'll usually just come in here. I will share that with you guys in a video because I have some people that ask how I do when I make my list. So y'all stay tuned for that. If you guys are interested, it will be on my second channel. I will leave the link in the description box below and the name on the screen. Only if y'all interested in seeing how I get ready to make my grocery list when I have to go bulk grocery shopping for the month, 2-3 weeks, however. So y'all just stay tuned for that. But thank y'all for watching. I appreciate you guys. Leave me some comments in the comment section. I will be getting to reading everybody's comment, even if I can't respond to everybody. Y'all know I'm still recovering from my surgery, so everything is taking me a while. It's hard for me to kind of get back into the flow of things, but I'm trying. So don't charge it to my heart. I am trying. So I will see you guys later. Y'all be blessed. Stay safe. And until the next one, we out here.
Peace.